people, so we are at Forum Mall, Hyderabad, and this is something that we got from this place called Belgian fries. And Ayush, how is it? Come into the frame, please. Really? And take a bite of the burger, please. I saw them make the burger in front of. Yeah. Okay. So sweet. Is it good? Yeah. Yeah?
One of the best.
Okay, if you can hold this, I'll take a bite too.
One of the best burgers that has ever landed in my mouth.
It is really good. And for considering it's 99, it's really worth it.
8 out of 10.
Yeah?
And that's 9 out of 10.
And if I were to take a sip of this, pretty good. So this is called the Belgian fries. The Belgian fries. And the total price is okay. Okay, here. Thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe. It's so noisy, we can't really do a long recording.